Okay, we're here. Looks so big.
As long as you put the barn number in.
Oh my god!
And you put the house number in, it takes you to the pond down the road. It says you're there. It's like, first time I put it in my GPS, it's like.
I know, you gotta watch him, he's nibbling on his sleeve. You go bite your clothes.
I don't even need a GPS no more. I'm here too much.
I like this one.
They like it.
This one is so curious. It's like you don't want to get too close, it might bite your phone.
It's got an itch.
Best way to get it.
It's like mare issues and go. Oh, what are you looking?
Somebody. Shoot somebody. Oh, good. You didn't do so well, but it worked. This way. There you go.
There you go. You're welcome, thank you. Fair, the Saratoga County Fair. Yep.
And we park.
I used to enter some of my handcrafts. I have.
Nice.
You